Alright guys, so in this video we wanted to make this edit profile functionality, right? So but the problem is we don't have the user profile itself. Okay, so this profile does not exist because in the profile, if you go to this accounts model, you see in the account model we have only first name, last name, username, email, phone number. Okay, so there is no much detail about this user. So we actually wanted to store users profile picture and users address and users city, state, and country and all those stuff. Okay, so for this we don't have any model, right? So that's the reason we are going to make one new profile for the user. Okay, so first of all we'll create a user profile model, and after that we'll start working on editing it. Okay, so I'll say class user profile. So it will extend the models.model, and first of all user is equal to models dot 1-to-1 field. Okay, so why I am using 1-to-1 field is because this 1-to-1 field is also like the foreign key, but the difference is this 1-to-1 field is actually unique. Okay, so 1-to-1 means you can have only one profile for this one account. Okay, one profile for one account. Okay, so that's unique, so that's the reason. So if you use this foreign key, then what will happen, you can have multiple user profile for one user. So that's not the case, right? So we want to have only one profile for one person, right? So that's the reason I'm using this 1-to-1 field. Okay, so I'll say account comma on delete equal to models dot cascade. Okay, address line 1, address underscore line underscore 1 is equal to models dot char field. Let's make this blank equals true, comma max length equal to 100, and I'll copy and paste it here. This is now address 2, models dot char field blank equals to max length 100. Okay, and city, maybe I'll say profile underscore picture is equal to models dot image field blank equals true, comma upload to I'll say user profile. Okay, user profile. So what will happen, so inside this media folder, so this profile picture folder will be created. Okay, so that's why I put this upload to profile picture. And next I'll say city is equal to models dot char field blank equals true, comma max length equals 20. Similarly I'll make the state and country. State is equal to, okay, black true, and the country. Okay, so then I'll make a str method, str pass in self and return self dot user dot, let's say first name. Okay, self dot user dot first name All right, I'll also make a full address. Define full address. Define full address, pass in self, and return a string self dot address line 1 space self dot address line 2. All right, so we have this address line 1, full address. So I'll go to this admin and register this user model. Okay, user profile model, user profile, right? Yes, the profile. And also I'll make a class user profile admin dot model admin list display is equal to in the list display I'll put user comma city comma state comma country. And I also want to show the profile picture here. Okay, so for the profile picture, what I'll do, I'll make a function define thumbnail self comma object return format underscore HTML. In this format HTML, we will make a image tag. Okay, for this image tag I will give a source src. Src is equal to double quotation, open and close this curly braces, and the width is equal to 30, and the height, maybe if you want to give height, otherwise just leave it. And let's say style is equal to border radius 50%, and dot format object dot profile picture. Okay, profile picture dot URL. Okay, if you don't put this URL, then this will not work. So now I'll say here thumbnail dot short description is equal to, so this is actually the title of that profile picture. Okay, this will be shown in the table. Okay, now we can pass this thumbnail. Okay, just a function name we can pass it here. Now our thumbnail should be showing in the admin table. Okay, so now if I okay, we need to register this site, admin.site.register. Let's say user profile comma user profile admin. Okay, so this should be user profile admin, and now you put this here. And now if you go to this here, I will just go to admin. Okay, one problem, system. All right, where is it? Profile picture. All right, okay, I think we did not migrate the model, right? So but still we have one error. Okay, user profile, profile picture, upload underscore to, argument must be a relative path. Alright, I'll remove this. Okay, so I'll now python manage.py make migrations, python manage.py migrate. Now let's see in the admin. Let's go to this. Where is it? Okay, we have this user profiles, right? So this is the user profile. So from here you can add this user profile. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just add one user profile for this user. Okay, I'll and this profile picture, I will add one profile picture. Save. Okay, format HTML is not defined. Okay, so go to this admin.py. Here you need to bring the format HTML from django.utils.html import format HTML. Alright, now you can see one profile picture, and this is the user ID and all those stuff. I will just click on this and go inside this. Alright, now we have all these data for this user. Okay, so now we are ready to edit the user profile. Okay, so from here we can create a new URL pattern and edit this user profile. Okay,